morning, everyone. Welcome to be here. It's my honor to share KubeEdge graduation journey, creating a diverse and collaborative open source community from scratch. And I hope to use this opportunity to explore with all of you how to build a diverse and multi-vendor community. Before we start, let me briefly introduce Hongbing and myself.
Hello, everybody. This is Hongbing Zhang. Currently, I'm the KubeEdge TSC member. So I'm also working with my team to oversee KubeEdge community and the project. Thank you.
OK, my name is Yue, and I work at Huawei Cloud, and I'm also the maintainer of KubeEdge community. First, we still want to share the exciting news about KubeEdge graduation. In October last year, KubeEdge has become the CNCF graduated project. Since its inception in 2018, KubeEdge has grown from a small project into a mature community. Thanks to the collaboration of many vendors and partners, I believe everyone here today must be interested in how to build a diverse community, how to apply it in different industries, and how to maintain the sustainable and healthy community. Next time we will introduce the KubeEdge work into two perspectives. One is technology development and the community governance. OK, first let me start introduce the KubeEdge community. KubeEdge is the industry's first cloud-native edge computing framework, and it is designed for edge cloud collaboration. We aim to provide a consistent experience of applications, resources, data, and devices collaboration between cloud and edge. For now, we have more than 8,000 stars and 2,200 forks on GitHub with more than 1,500 contributors from more than 100 organizations worldwide. And this is an overview of KubeEdge's journey. KubeEdge was launched as open source in 2018, and it was donated to CNCF in 2019 as a sandbox project. In 2020, KubeEdge has been used in a large-scale China highway electronic tool connection system. This system, based on KubeEdge, manages more than 100,000 edge nodes across the multi-provinces of China. And in 2020, we also became the CNCF incubation project. In next several years, we have launched several sub-projects. For example, Sedna and Edge Mesh. Sedna is used to enhance the AI workload between cloud and edge, and Edge Mesh support the communication between edge nodes across different networks. And in 2021, the first cloud-native vehicle with KubeEdge has been in production, and in the same year, the world's first cloud-native satellite based on KubeEdge has been launched to space. Satellites are different from traditional edge devices because satellites move rapidly and has limited connectivity to ground station. So based on the KubeEdge system, we deployed the AI model on the satellite and process the data on the satellite and send back the meaningful result to the ground station. And in 2022, we also released a large-scale testing report. In this report, KubeEdge support more than 100,000 edge nodes and 1 million edge ports on a single cluster. If you are interested in the large scale, you can attend the KubeEdge large-scale testing and implementation session in tomorrow afternoon. And in 2023, we have in security we have achieved the CLSI level 3, and we also launched the KubeRobot. It is a robotics solution based on KubeEdge. In terms of the technical planning, we are not limited to develop the KubeEdge in just a single area, but also committed to build a multi-domain, multi-scene scenarios edge computing platform. On the load border side, we hope we can support as many as applications such as AI, IoT, MEC, robotics. So we released several SIGs and working groups, including SIG AI, SIG Device IoT, and MEC working groups. And on source board side, we hope we can support more hardware, support more operating systems, and support more devices with various protocols. And we also provide hardware compatibility testing and certification. Also, the KubeEdge itself is continually enhanced in several areas. For example, the edge cloud scheduling, the edge cloud orchestration, and the edge runtime. Okay, as mentioned earlier, we hope KubeEdge can support a wide range of scenarios. We actively study industrial trends and plan ahead for KubeEdge's application. For example, in 2021, we have released Sedna, the industry's first edge cloud collaborative AI sub-project. Many edge devices has equipped with AI capabilities, and the development of edge AI is progressing rapidly. However, edge AI faces many challenges such as limited data sample, fragmentations, and high costs associated with the model updates and maintenance. With Sedna, we provide cross-edge cloud dataset and model management, and we also support many training and inference frameworks such as joint inference, incremental learning. For example, in joint inference, we can process the data at edge, and we send the difficult cases to the cloud for accurate inference. And in incremental learning, we will send the inference result to the cloud and update the model, and then deploy the new model to the edge in real time. Sedna also support many mainstream AI frameworks and provides enhanced interfaces for developers to quickly integrate third-party algorithm. Okay, currently KubeEdge has been widely applied across industries. Here is the KubeEdge use case list. We have applied KubeEdge to many various sectors, including transportation, energy, and finance. For example, at KubeCon Europe 2021, we have shared the use of KubeEdge and Sedna in satellite applications. And next year, in KubeCon China, we also collaborated with NIO to demonstrate the applications of KubeEdge in smart driving. If you are interested, you can learn more KubeEdge use cases in the official website, or just communicate with the in KubeEdge booth. Okay, that's all about the KubeEdge technology development, and I will hand it over to my co-speaker, Hongbing.
Thanks, Yue. Okay, so next I will give some introduction about how we graduate our project. So here, I can share some experience about the community governance as well as operational activities. So first, let's look at the project graduation phase in CNCF. So maybe some of you know the 3 stages about the project in CNCF. The first one is the sandbox. So second is incubating. So the next phase is graduation. So from today's keynote, Chris introduced that over 200 projects are managed by CNCF. So the data is, right now, only about more than 20 projects got graduated. So that means the portion and the ratio for the graduation is really hard. So how can we cross the chasm to grow our project from scratch to grow to be sandbox, incubating, and finally graduation? So here, I can share some data about our project operation statistics. So right now, KubeEdge already covered more than 300,000 people. And the community covered more than 6K community members, with contributor about 1.5 key contributor, more than 100 organizations, and the star about 8K stars with 2K folks. So this number indicates the project achieved a milestone. So that's why we can be graduated. So next, how we did that to achieve this data and push this project to be graduated. So next, I will share a few best practices and what we did. So first of all, if your project wants to be graduated, the key thing is not just for the technology. I think if you grow your project to be graduated, I think the technical maturity is okay, and many users, many developers are using that. But the key criteria for the TUC to evaluate your project is whether your project is open and transparent governance, whether you have a clear structure. So here, we put a lot of efforts to make our governance to be open and transparent. So for the left side, we can say this is our community governance model. In total, we have 7 members in TSC. TSC means Technical Steering Committee. This is the highest and decision-making team to handle and oversee all kinds of the decision activities, the cases. So under TSC, we have a few groups. We have sub-teams to manage the project release. We have teams to govern the security process and how we can advocate our developers and the users. In addition, we have a few SIG, special interest group, covering nodes, device, IoT, networking, scalability, security, robots, AI, and testing. So here, I want to emphasize, besides the technical community, we pay more and more attention to ecosystem, especially for the end user. Yeah, because your project got graduated, the next key challenge is how you can encourage more and more developers, more and more end users to adopt your technology. So the next, because KubeEdge is a first cloud and edge collaboration platform. It covers a lot of scenarios. So here, it's very important to foster a diverse partnership and ecosystem which can cover all the communities, all the universities, and all the industry companies. Here we list a few key partners in our community. It covers some industry companies. Some are technical startup companies, and some are big companies. In addition, we have more and more universities because many professors, many students are evaluating our technologies. And then next, we have some research institutions. So here, we hope to foster a very diversity, very different dimensions for the community and the partnership. So the third thing is, we will put more efforts to cover some engineering verification with some interoperability. Since this is a cloud and edge platform, many devices, in addition to the data center, will use our technologies. So how we can help you get this project started very quickly, it covers some hardware, some boxes, and some verifications. So like we introduced just now, KubeEdge is the first CNCF project who passes the SLSA S3. It's a security verification. It's very important, right? And we passed quite a few certifications from organizations. That means these organizations will promote our technology and our project to different users. In addition, we covered a few hardware compatibility testing. So if you have some box or IoT or AI hardware, so we can work together to help you pass our compatibility testing. So the third thing is, like I said just now, after we graduated, the key thing is to promote to our customer, to try to have more users adopt our technology. So this is customer outreach and the promotions. On the left side, you can see we actively participated in many conferences, including KubeCon and other industry mainstream conferences. We are very lucky to be the keynote speech for 2 continuous KubeCon China. So one case is to cloud native, cloud edge on the satellite. And one case is cloud edge collaboration between the new energy car. In addition, we have quite a few open meetup, developer meetup, workshop, summit, even for the academic workshop. So next, once you get graduated, you need to collaborate very closely with different organizations. So here we list a few key organizations we are working with. So I'm not sure whether some of you are aware about the Linux Foundation mentorship. So this is a very good program. So you can extend your coverage to worldwide potential developers. So for KubeEdge, we participated in the Linux Foundation mentorship program for more than 5 years. And we provided more than about 30 topics and connected many developers worldwide to join our community, to join our development. In China, we work with some mainland, very famous organizations to host some meetup, or we can join some activities. Last year, we get the Best Open Source Project Award for the whole China. This is a good recognition from the organizations. Okay, last but not least, developer is very important. So we will continuously support our developers. We will continuously to host many meetups, celebrations, and some development sharing. So here, we put a lot of efforts to find some potential or early adopter customers. We invited them to give some speech, give some sharing to our potential customers. So here we list a few of some celebration for last year's KubeEdge graduation. And we host many meetups, many developer summit. For the development, it's for sure that we have a very robust, very comprehensive procedures to help developers to how we can get started, how we can join the community. So we have the developer guide to help you get started one by one. We have the community roles. We define many roles from the member, approver, maintainer, or owner. So step by step, you can involve very closely with our community. Also, we have some contributor license with a normal communication mechanism. We have a weekly meeting, so we have some project meeting, we have some TSC meeting. So this ensures that we have enough communication between TSC member, between our connectivity with the developers, end users, customers. And this is our website. So many people will go to our website to get the latest updates, right? Latest downloads. So in short, graduation is a non-process. So Chris, in tomorrow's meeting, keynote meeting, Chris introduced over 200 projects under CNCF. Maybe about only 20 projects. Its history is more than 7 years. So KubeEdge history has 7 years. From scratch to be graduated, it's a non-process. But in short, we can say graduation is a milestone, but it's not the end. Instead, it's a new start with more challenges. We have another work to do. Okay, next. Our slogan is make cloud native ubiquitous. So unlike Kubernetes and other data center technologies, our project is to extend our cloud native technologies to the end side, to the edge side. So our slogan is make cloud native technologies ubiquitous, right? So actually today we have a booth. So you can go to our P14 to get more details, right? To know more and we can discuss how we can join very closely. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. So any questions?